your favorite movie and why it is your favorite. And also just mention the character that you love these movies.
Let me think. What is? Actually, rarely I see. I watch movies, so.
But I think in your young age, you should have watched.
Young age. Yeah, I found of in my childhood so many movies I used to watch, but nowadays I'm mother, I'm housewife,
Okay.
and so.
You are juggling with both sides.
But I like the most celebrity Shah Rukh Khan movie. I like his most of the movies. I like the most.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan movies.
Yes.
Like that's good thing. So do you read book or
Yes, I read.
which kind of book that you read?
It's mostly depend on autobiography. Recently, I'm just started to read unfinished a memoir by Priyanka Chopra.
So just tell me about your favorite book that you have recently read.
My favorite book is one Jaipur princess means Jaipur queen story. It's just autobiography. I'm forgetting her name, but she's very.
Okay. So you love to watch, you love to read autobiography.
Yes, mostly.
So, ma'am, what do you think that reading a book or watching a movie, which is more?
Reading a book, it's more means I like the most to read books
Same thing.
based on autobiography mostly.
Yeah, because what I feel is that when you just read the book, then the character that is presented by the author.
Yes,
And-
like I'm presenting before her, and she is just live presentation about her or
Yeah,
him.
and also it depend upon our imagination what we.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the something that you know. So,
Yes, I listened about Gayatri Devi.
Actually,
I like the most. It's a very good character in her book, and whole more than 3 generations she has lived in her life up to 108 years old.
one.
2008, I think she died. So very loving, charming, and very down to earth character are there in her autobiography.
Okay. Any book that you suggest that we should read?
Actually, I want to read one book. It's Munshi Premchand ji books. It's a
Godan.
Godan. I want to try more and more to read, but some high level English is there. So I'm just slowly reading.
Okay. Have you read Gunaho Ka Devta? Like,
No, I didn't. Yes, I think no. I know his writer is its writer is yes, but I didn't read.
It's a classical book if you just read.
Okay.
Just a lot of the things that is mentioned in this book. I have also read. So.
Okay, I'll follow. Thank you.
And what do you think that what is the relation to your mother and to your daughter, and which one is more precious?
Sorry, being
I said is that I didn't say. I said is that what's your relation to your mother and your daughter or your son, and how it varies, and which one is more precious to you?
it's a tough question to differentiate my mother's relation and my daughter's relation. Both are very important to me,
Like-
and whether it is my mother's, she is too much taking care of me. Always she call me, whether I am not giving call to her, but always she maintain call, and she doesn't have any complaint why you are not calling, why you don't call, and you are not caring about me. I always think about you, so she doesn't have any complaint. And about I'm about my daughter, she is so emotional. Sometimes she make me emotional. Mama, you are going, I'll miss you. So
If you are to choose one, which one you choose?
surely my mom.
Mom.
Yes.
That's it. Unexpected. What I was thinking that you would suit your daughter. No, but
My mother has spent a whole life to me, and my child is just 3 years old, so it's a difference.
So, what the thing that you just feel being a mother or being a daughter? Which character that you just like the most?
Being a daughter,
Being a daughter.
I want to
think-
boost myself more and more towards my mother.
I think it's less responsibility and less burden.
What to be
Being a daughter.
towards daughter?
No, being a daughter.
Yes,
Instead of
being a
being-
daughter, I want
Daughter.
to take more responsibility about my mother's. I'm not giving, but I want to give more time to her.
I would ask-
Time is more important for her, not money or any other thing. Only my time is most precious thing to my mother's. So
Okay. As you mentioned that money doesn't matter to you.
yeah,
What is matter to you?
money. I'm sorry. What? I'm sorry. What is the exactly question?
You said that money doesn't matter to you.
No. My mother's view, money doesn't matter. I wanted to tell you like that.
Okay. So, in your perspective, money is matter to you. So, if you get a chance to choose money or happiness, or just a long life of your mother, your daughter, your family, which one you would choose and why?
Money and daughter.
No. My question is that if you have two options and
Okay.
you have to choose one, first is that the money, and second is that long life of your family's mother and daughter.
Obviously, long life my relatives.
Okay.
I'll make money. I'm able to do that, but I'm not able to create a relation. It's natural. It's God gifting.
Okay. What do you think? Like people are obsessed with the money. Do you really think that money lead to the happiness?
I think it's there. Money, it's money is matter to fulfill desires, happiness, and maintain relationship also.
So, as your question that you just mentioned, कि money lead to happiness.
I'm telling about man's perception. I'm not telling about my perception.
Okay.
Usually, people are there in society. What they think about money. So I'm telling about
I'm
that.
talking about your perspective. What do you think?
I have told you.
So it means that you are saying that those who have money, they are more success. Ambani and Adani, and like recently, if you just look at Vijay Mallya, he was saying that he was called a chore and he stole money. So okay, it's your perspective. I do not want to just meddle your perspective. So I just want to ask some of the private question. If you do not want to answer,
Yeah, sure.
you can ask me this question.
Yeah, you
So
tell.
what's your relation with your husband?
It's very good and sometimes tough. My husband is too fond of cleanness, whole home. Whenever he came from anywhere, he just started to clean everything. Everything should be neat and clean. And before coming 1 hour, I had to do work on my whole rooms, and whole house should be clean. Otherwise, he will be upset with me. So sometimes it's tough, sometimes it's very happiness, and he cares about my desires. I don't know what is my need, what will be my need. He know everything, and before thinking about my need, already present with that.
Okay, what we can
my
do?
husband. So it's a plus point.
It's a plus point or it's
Yes.
a fear of your husband doing?
Yes. Sometimes.
So do you really think that your husband just fear to you?
No, he's very comfortable with me. I always calm and happy.
Okay.
Doesn't have any complaint to any other person in my family members. All are happy with me. I care.
What would you see? Said to her, sorry.
I'll take positively. Firstly, I'll ask her what he is, and please welcome to your home, and I want to meet him. So then I decide what is. Then it's depend on his character. What is he is exactly that.
Okay, one personal question that juggling in my mind is what I just find that if the man is not get married, he just maintain his family. Once he get married, we find that the family is broken. So do you really think that the woman is behind that who just broke the family?
No. It's both character are very important to maintain every relation in a family. Whether it is boy side, means son side, whether it is daughter-in-law, both have responsibility to maintain unity in whole family members.
Yeah. Right answer, but what I just want to say that who is more responsible, a man or woman? Because you also see in the society that they
I think man is more responsibility to maintain each and every relation, whether it is mother-in-law, whether it is daughter-in-law, wife, husband,
Okay.
wife, other members of the family. More responsibility man has, because he know everything.
Yeah.
What is her mother like? What doesn't she like? So everything he knows very well. He can make her understand. I'm talking about wife, and he can manage all the things.
Such a fabulous answer. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, I'm Shruti and among us there is a very great personality. I would like to call Shivam sir.
I am Sunil Tiwari. I am from Aligarh, and my father name is Mr. Raj Tiwari, and my mother name is Sunil Tiwari. I have completed my high school in 2022, and I have done my intermediate for 2022, and now I am pursuing graduation. That's all.
What are your
Nowadays, I am preparing for a CAT and still to my college syllabus and come to here to practice for the English subject.
Tell me something about your family.
I am coming from a close family, consistently my parents and my sister and myself. My father is very kindness and empathic person, and my mother is my mother is the heart of my family, and my father is a contractor and my mother is a housewife. That is initial to me for the importance of my education and and my hard work. And I am grateful for to love and support my family.
Something positive and negative about
With my personality, positive personality, I think positive personality. I think I'm not panic when I saw the any problem. First and second is I believe in the hard work, and third is I believe in truth, and fourth is I think if you can try, you can do anything, and fifth is I'm not fool anyone. That's it.
Tell me five things of
Weakness. Weakness. Firstly, I am definitely not criticized to negative thinking, and to focus on the negative thinking regularly, and my life problems, basically life problems, I am here. And third is weakness. Actually, weakness I am not here for me.
tell me about your hobby.
My hobby is to play cricket and sing a song. Thank you.